Hi guys, good morning. Teriyaki chicken is almost done. Binili ko lang po yan sa supermarket with the price tag of 166.6, and here it is. And nilagyan ko lang siya ng 4 added yung home base ba ko. Sesame oil and some calamansi toyo. I love the calamansi factor, you know. And then, nilagyan ko ng half cup water for an even cook para makuluan siya. Dahil, syempre, kailangan mag-iingat tayo for health reason. Kailangan pakuluan natin yung pagkain natin. So, half, ayun, dry na siya. So, in 15 minutes, your ulam is cooked na. Tapos, may nilaga po akong talong at nilagang okra as side dish. Ayan. Ganyan lang tayo. Kasimple. Buhay Pinas! Ayan. Half cup water, guys, for it to be able to boil the chicken. Pwede rin namang hindi. Yung iba kasi hindi na. Straight from the plastic bag. Niluluto na nila yan. No more adding water. But ako, talaga nag-a-add po ako. Miski na and para maging mas healthy pa siya, meron siyang kasamang boiled eggplant and okra. Yung talong at okra is nilagay ko lang sa ibabaw ng rice cooker. Hindi ko na po siya ibinukod. My reason is that para pag steam na siya, yung juice niya mahuhulog din sa rice, sa brown rice. So, hindi niya napakawalan yung nutrients na content ng eggplant at ng okra. Okay, that's my cooking tip. This is Amity's Simple Living in Philippines saying, happy days ahead. See you next time. God bless. Also,